Hey everybody, this video will be doing the no drink burp challenge. We got requested to do this by a YouTuber named what was his name? Hills Man's 25, I think. But anyways, he wanted us to do this challenge, and I've seen a lot of other people do this challenge. So basically, the rule of this challenge, we have to rub each other's backs and see who burps more and all that. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go first.
Yeah,
so
go first.
She gonna rub my back, and I do it, and then she, so on and so on.
I've never heard of this challenge a day in my life.
You gotta keep doing it.
That's it.
You gotta keep doing it.
What? I'm gonna get static electricity. I'm wearing black. Okay, this going for real. Alright, there.
It's like a massage thing. Now I'm gonna do her back.
What kind of foolishness is this?
Okay, now we're gonna
You just
see.
messed up my spine.
Now we're gonna see who can do it the most.
Excuse me. I said excuse
That's
me.
one. You're supposed to count yours.
One. Baby, I get to what flow.
One.
Oh, I was supposed to time it, huh? I get to what flow.
Two. Man, if Millie was here, man, she would lead both of us. Because, she loved to burp.
I do it like it's my profession.
Three. I'm winning. She's not even paying attention. She's supposed to be paying attention to the video. Four. Five.
Showing up. Yeah, sure.
Six.
Two. Breaking pop.
Seven.
Ooh. I need more chopstick or something.
8, and she got 3.
Time's up. This ain't my
9.
Took a little time out, took a vacation, but boys, I'm back. Time was up.
10. I win.
Yeah, I know you won.
So basically, the end of that. Turn it off.
What time we do?
Anyways, basically, the challenge is over.
Bye.
Yeah, I win the challenge. I got 10.
I got 3. Woohoo.
Yeah, so I win the challenge.
That fun is driving me insane. I can't explain what I want.
11.
Oh, gosh.
That's 11. Sorry.
Hey.
Yeah, I win 11 burps for me. Bye, y'all.